Suitable for large surfaces as well as working in detail for primary to intermediate use, the Festool ETS 150mm random orbital 5mm sander gives you a premium quality user experience and results. With a 5mm sanding stroke, you can achieve optimum surface quality with a high material removal capacity. Whether it's coats of paint, window frames or natural wood, this sander is in its element. This kit includes a soft high temperature backing pad, filter cartridge, Allen key for adjustments and the Systainer for storage. Built for manual operation, it features a lightweight, compact design with a dome grip with soft grip technology. Using the ergonomic rod handle, you can guarantee effortless work whether in one or two hand operation. You also get an orbital motion speed of 4,000 to 10,000 RPM. Get powerful dust extraction with the airtight hose coupling with either the filter cartridge or a Festool dust extractor. The patented multi-jet stream sanding system is a unique system allowing for a lower abrasive consumption, lower costs and an optimal dust extraction close to 100%. Get a long service life with the dust-proof high-performance ball bearings that absorb even the hardest of impacts. MMC electronics that can control the smooth startups and ensure the speed of the material is constant to guarantee the best results. Festool again proved their goal to have the highest quality dust-free sanders in the industry. You can check one out for yourself at your nearest Trade Tools store or online at tradetools.com.